Oh my God, Mom! Mom! Oh my God! Mom! Mom! Good morning, guys. Here we are at gold 15 minutes time frame, and we're gonna use this trading indicator called Gains Algo B2 Alpha. So we will wait for Gains Algo to tell us to buy or sell. So we will wait. Gains Algo give us a signal, and we're gonna put 1,000 units, and we will wait for the result.